aren't exactly. Can you please let me talk?
Girl, I'm trying to loosen you. Having that goose and juice. Baby, tell me what it's gonna be. Look at them sparks coming right now. Looking like the 4th of July. You're officially coming with me. Sheena.
Just me. Someone needs to keep watch.
How come I'm always the guy keeping watch?
Because there's only 2 of us.
Okay, why is it starting to feel like you're Batman and I'm Robin?
I don't want to be Robin all the time. Nobody's Batman and Robin any of the time.
Not even some of the time?
Just stay here.
Oh my God.
I can't be your Batman, cause I be Robin. I don't want no lap dance, bitch, give me noggin. Why you laughing and playing, ho, get from around me. You know I am the man, Mr. Miyagi. Yeah, I got hoes from Japan, they call me Poppy.
Hey, what's going on? You and me. We're gonna go out and find a body. A dead body.
2 joggers found a body in the woods.
Dead body?
No, a body of water. Yes, the masked dead body.
You mean like murdered?
Nobody knows yet. Just that it was a girl, probably in her 20s.
Hold on, if they found the body, then what are they looking for?
That's the best part.
Do you know how lucky you are?
What do you mean?
Scott's a true alpha. That means he didn't get his powers because he was born with it. He didn't get it by stealing or by killing someone. He earned it.
So I'm taking back what's mine, you miss. The slice out of heaven that I gave to you last night.
Do you remember, Scott, the gift that you gave me? The fight of the alpha, the power of the werewolf.
Cause I show you how. Looking at me like you want my man. What the fuck?
iPhone camera flashing. Please step back, it's my style, you're cramping. You here for long, oh no, I'm just passing. Do you wanna drink? Nah, thanks for asking. Ooh, nah, yeah. Don't act like you know me, like you know me, nah, yeah. I am not your homie, not your homie.
What are you now?